guys, it's Desi. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm back with another vlog, and as you can tell by the title, this video is focusing on wellness, health, balance, and just taking care of the space around me. I've been on a bit of a health and wellness journey as of recently. It's nothing extreme or nothing crazy, just really tuning in to see how my space, my daily habits, and my overall mindset affects how I feel. So without further ado, let's get into the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Any type of support that you guys give me, whether it's a like, comment, or subscribing to my channel, it's all appreciated. So I'll see you guys later and enjoy. First up on today's list, I'm starting with a little apartment reset. I really believe that our environment plays a really big role in how we feel, not only mentally but emotionally as well. And I know that I really can't fully relax or focus in a cluttered space. So I put on some calming music, I lit my candle, and I'm just taking about 20 minutes to reset the apartment. I'm really trying my best to implement this habit of cleaning the apartment daily, but if I'm gonna be fully honest, I'm someone that will let the mess get really bad until I finally decide it's time to deep clean the entire apartment, but I'm not allowing myself to do that anymore, especially during this season. Summer's supposed to feel fresh and clean, so I'm sticking to this routine no matter what it takes. After cleaning, I did my skincare routine, and these two Byoma products that I'm using have been really helping my skin recently. I've been dealing with some really dry skin for a very long time, so I'm just so happy that my skin finally feels hydrated. So after me and Santiago got home from work, we decided to make one of our favorite meals. It's all from Trader Joe's. It's basically just ground beef with veggies over rice, and it's really, really, really good.
Taste test it. You taste the soy and the yaki.
Eating healthier is something that I'm always working on, especially recently. But if I'm being honest, some nights look like this and some nights look like a double-double from In-N-Out. And that's okay, because it's all about balance. After dinner, we went for a little walk. And even if we both are tired from work, we both know that we'll feel a lot better if we get a short walk in. It's definitely a team effort. I didn't show you guys my full nighttime skincare routine just because it's the same thing as my morning. I just swap out my moisturizers. So instead of using a sunscreen, I use the Slam Dunk moisturizer from Bubble, and then I just apply a little bit of a lip mask to end it.